What's the meaning of checked? Checked. Checked.
Checked. Checked. The word checked can have different meanings depending on the context. However, when used as an adjective, it typically means that something has been examined or verified for accuracy and found to be correct. For example, a checked bag on an airplane has gone through security screening and is cleared for transport. Similarly, a checked answer on a test has been reviewed by the teacher and confirmed as accurate. In general, the term checked implies a level of scrutiny or inspection that has been completed with satisfactory results.